build a big tower. Here we go. This is Annie. Today I'm here to do an unboxing and installation of this Wingsy children's table. I'm really excited about it because it's going to open up a lot of opportunities for a toddler to have a fun sensory experience and play area that we can do activities together with. This one actually comes with the containers, so you don't need to get anything else. Everything is here, ready to go. So we're going to take a look right now. So you got the larger storage container and two smaller ones, all included in the package, which I really appreciate because I didn't want to have to go searching for more parts. This looks nice. Sturdy wood. This does not look flimsy at all. It's smoothed out, not feeling any splinters as I run my hand along this. Very good. It looks like it's unfinished wood, but I read that it does have some kind of water-based solution. Some people might opt to add another layer to this or paint it over. We've got a guide, 1 page. I like it. Okay, so we're going to do this right now. It comes with screws, with some straps, round rubber buffers, probably for the bottom of the legs. All right, so it includes the table frame, 4 legs, the large storage box, 2 smaller organizers here, 2 table boards, so we can do chalkboard writing on this side or just have the white flat surface. And it also has a hanger. This is so that way we can put our rolls of paper for painting. It already has a screw built in and just twist it on. Can't get any easier than that. This might just take about 5 minutes. It also makes it easy to store it away if I ever need to put it away for a bit. Sometimes rotating the toys helps keep the kids' interest strong, right? And then the screws are for putting the straps. Unfortunately, there's no pre-drilled holes here, and we need to put the straps there to hold on to the hanger. So in the meantime, containers in. It's nice and flush. There's no issues here. Very nice. Just take a look for yourself. Yeah, it's very good.